Fred continues to make its way through North Georgia mid-morning, and we've seen a lot of heavy rain, some flash flooding around parts of the metro, and a couple of confirmed areas of debris from potential tornadoes. So we have one area down in Meriwether County, another out towards Greene County that the National Weather Service is going to be investigating for potential tornado touchdowns this morning. Also down in Twiggs County, down in the Macon viewing area, a tractor trailer overturned on I-16 from a tornado passing over there. Now, where do we really go from here? Well, we're still dealing with some locally heavy rain around the metro. We have a flash flood warning for most of our kind of inner metro counties. This includes northern Clayton, over towards DeKalb, Fulton, Gwinnett, Cobb County as well, and northern Henry County until 2:45 this afternoon. So that's going to be as the remnants of Fred, which is still tropical depression as of the 5 a.m. advisory, but the remnants will be passing over North Georgia through the rest of the morning. As we get our way into late this afternoon, they're going to be passing through northeast Georgia, and we will see those rain rates starting to wind down. Now, in the meantime, we're still tracking on the eastern side of the storm some potential for a couple of spin-up tornadoes. That's what we've been tracking all morning. Chesley McNeil, myself, watching that brief little spin-up potential. And we still have a level 2 threat for Athens out of 5 of severe weather. They're still leaving Atlanta for now in that level 1 threat, but that will be probably trimmed pretty shortly. And our tornado watch has been canceled early for the Atlanta immediate metro area. We still have a watch up towards Hall County and Forsyth County, and then out towards Athens, Oconee County as well. That'll go until 1 this afternoon. So we're watching that severe weather threat, but also just this heavy rainfall threat. Now, around the Atlanta area, we could probably still pick up another 1 to maybe as much as 3 inches max of rain. But if you're on the south side of town, those rainfall additional amounts are going to be much, much less than that because the center of Fred is moving right up the 85 corridor mid-morning. So the bulk of the rain still yet to come. That's right up this 85 corridor and up in the North Georgia mountains up 985 as well. So we could still see in some of those places another 2 to 4 inches of rain. All right, flash flood watch will continue through the day today. We've already seen street flooding. We could still see additional isolated flash flooding from this heavy rainfall. Here's the forecast track. By 11 this morning, the center of Fred is moving right over the Atlanta area. So the heavy rain by midday today, it's over the perimeter and points up 85. So we're probably going to see those rainfall rates winding down by 11 o'clock already in places like LaGrange and Noonan and Coweta County as well. Then we go into the mid-afternoon. And you notice the center of Fred is going to track kind of right up this I-85 corridor. So that heavy rain still stuck in the North Georgia mountains, but by 3 o'clock, just dealing with some lighter wraparound showers for the Atlanta area. Still be breezy outside at times, but that heavy rainfall threat for Atlanta will be winding down by mid-afternoon. We'll head out in a forecast track out to 7 o'clock this evening. At that point, the center tracking up over Gainesville and the mountains as well. So all the heavy rain is getting pushed into North Carolina and upstate South Carolina. So the heavy rainfall threat for everybody winds down by early this evening. And then from there, we will see much quieter weather for the overnight. So next 12 hours in Atlanta, tracking heavy rain, especially between now and 3 o'clock for Atlanta, and then winding down the later in the day that we go. Once we go past today, we're looking at just some scattered showers and thunderstorms the rest of the work week, with highs returning closer to average in the upper 80s.